Welcome to an ordinary Friday evening of cooking and cleaning with me. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latanya. I do cleaning, lifestyle, home decor, and organization videos. If you like videos like that, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another upload from me. So today I am cooking spinach, stuffed salmon, and Greek salad. I like to pat dry my salmon with a paper towel. Make sure you have your fresh spinach, your cream cheese, your Parmesan cheese, lemon, olive oil, and of course your seasonings. All you want to do here is just create little pockets in your salmon, ensuring not to push the knife all the way to the back. You just want a nice little pocket. Chop up your spinach to your liking. Next, you're going to cook your spinach for about a minute or two. After that, you're going to mix your spinach, your cream cheese, and your Parmesan cheese together. Be sure to mix it really well. After that, you're going to stuff your fish with your mixture. Once you're done doing that, you're going to season it with your favorite seasonings. Once you're good with that, then you're going to cook it on the meaty side first. Remember that lemon? I use that lemon juice, fresh garlic, and butter to make all that yummy goodness. Then I just paired my fish with a Greek salad. Look at that, you guys. All right, you guys, now that my tummy is full, I am going to start cleaning up the kitchen and call it a night. I have so much to share with you guys in my upcoming videos. I want to thank you all for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, share and like my videos. I would really appreciate it. Until next time, you guys have a blessed and wonderful day.